Part 1. Restaurant Dialogue. The conversation between customer and waiters.
Good afternoon. Hello, have you got a table for me? Sure, please follow me. Thank you. Here, please. Thank you so much. Can I see menu, please? Certainly. Here you are. Okay. What's today's special? Today we're offering spaghetti with chicken katsu. I'll order that, and for drinks, I will have iced green tea and pancake ice cream for dessert. Okay, may I get this menu out of the way for you, please? Thank you. Sorry sis. May I have extra sauce, please? Yes, with pleasure. Can I get anything else? No, thanks. I'd like to check, please. That'll be 40,000 rupiah. Okay. This is, and then keep the change. Thank you so much.
Part 2. Supermarket vocabulary. I will mention 10 types of food product and non-food product. Milk. This is milk. Coffee. Popcorn. This is popcorn. Sweet soy sauce. Sugar. Rice. Candy. This is coffee candy. Noodle. This is my favorite noodles. I'll take 3. Pasta. This is my favorite pasta too. Cookies. Then now I will mention non-food product. Detergent. This is detergent. I'll take 1. Shoe. This is shoe. Sock. Baby powder. Body lotion. Tissue. Liquid soap. Perfume. Eraser. Book. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.